Okay, guys. I'm working on this 2005 Mercedes C320. I just want to make a video about how to remove the engine with the uh, transmission. So um, the first thing you have to do is remove this cable right here. Is the battery cable. These ones are the cables from the computer, the PCM. Have to remove these lines here, the compressor, this line here, and this line here that is connected right there. So, and the fuel line that is right here, and the fuel line is right there. I don't know if you can see it. This one, disconnect this one from the booster. A little hose here. Also this line here, the air line here that goes over here through the intake. This ground cable. You also disconnect this hose from the power steering pump. So I just put a screw there to not to leak. And also you need to remove the transmission lines that goes on the radiator. Yeah, so one is there and the other one is up there. And what else? Okay, so I think that's it for the top. So on the bottom, as you can see, I just removed the whole exhaust system. I only disconnect the shaft, the CV shaft, the shifter, the transmission mount, the ground cable. And also I removed the piece right there. That one is the steering column that goes over there, right there. And also remove this arm here, this one right here, and this one right here. So basically you have to just remove 3 pieces, 3 parts, and also the stabilizer bar right there. So also remove the shields, the covers, the tops right there. And okay, well, that's it. And the 2 bolts that goes here, those 2 bolts right there.